How to create a Finary account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're interested in using Finary to manage and track your finances in one place, first of all, go ahead and open up the Finary application on your Android or iOS. Once you open up the app, go ahead and tap on Start at the bottom. Answer some of the questions it may ask of you, and on the next page, you can sign up with Google or email. Choose any one option from the menu. I'm gonna select Continue with email. Now under Create Your Account, go ahead and enter an email address you have an access to. After typing it down, go to the Password tab and create a password that is strong for your account. Finally, click Continue at the bottom. Now wait for the email you'll receive from Finary. Click Open the email service provider, and once you receive it, enter it in the text box. Once you do that, you have created an account. Set up a PIN code for your account by typing it down. Confirm the PIN one more time. Enter your first name on the next page. Go ahead and enter your phone number after selecting your country code on the next, and then click on Continue. Before that, make sure to check this little square box at the top and tap Continue. On the next page, if you've got a referral code, go ahead and type it down. If not, you can tap on Skip at the top right. Answer some of the questions along the way again, or you can also skip it for now by tapping Skip at the top right. Now once you do that, you'll end up in this page from where you can go ahead and subscribe for Finary Plus. Review all the available plans. You can also enjoy the 7-day free trial by toggling on the switch right next to 7-day free trial, this one over here at the bottom, and finally tap on Start your free trial at the bottom. If you don't want to subscribe to the Plus yet, you can skip this for now by tapping on the cross icon at the top right, and still you'll be able to use the free version. So that is how you can complete your sign up. Now you can explore the platform and start setting up your financial dashboard. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.